Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you arithmetic progression of exercise 1.2. Here we have first question, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D the common difference, AN the nth term of AP. So here we have first question. So what things they are given, just you can see. First question, A given, D given, N given. Okay. So they are given. A is equal to how much means here we can say 3 given. Okay. So common difference they are given here 3. Next N given 8. N is equal to 8. So we need to find N is equal to how much. Okay. So this is very simple here. A given, D given, N given, and this column is what here? Blank. We need to find this. So obviously, dear students, we have the formula, that is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now An we need to find, keep as it is this An. Now A how much we have? 7 plus N already we have 8. So 8 minus of 1 and D we have 3. Now An is equal to 7, keep as it is, plus this is 3 into 8, 24 minus of 3. Now again similarly An is equal to 7, see here 7 plus 24 we have 7 plus 24 how much we have? 31. Okay. Now this is 31 minus of 3. Now we can say An is equal to how much it is? 31 minus of 3. This is 28. Okay. So An is equal to, we got here 28. So just you can see A given 7 and N given 8 and D given how much? 3. So substitute in this formula. So 7 as it is, now N is equal to 8 minus 1 as it is, this 3 into 8 it is 24 minus 3 and this is 7 plus 24. Okay, we will get 31 and this minus 3 is, that is 31 minus of 3 is, we will get An is equal to 28. This is what first question we have here. Next second question, they are given A is equal to minus 18. Let me rub this one. A is equal to how much given? So A is equal to, they are given minus 18. Second one, A given minus 18. Okay. Now D they don't have given. D is equal to question mark here. We need to find N given 10. So N is equal to 10 given. Next An 0. N given, N is equal to how much? 0. What we need to find here? D we need to find. This is very simple here. So again same formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An already we have 0, keep 0 as it is here. Now A we have minus of 18 plus. So now N it is 10 minus of 1 and D we need to find, keep D as it is. Okay. Now next, just you can see this is already we have 0 minus of 18 plus. Okay. Now this is 10 D. Now this is minus of D will get, isn't it? Now next, see this is 0, keep as it is. Now minus of 18 as it is, plus this is 10D minus D. Okay, we will get 9D. So let me solve here. This implies we have this minus 18 you can transfer this side. So what will be happens, it is plus 18, this is 9D. Now we can say D is equal to 2. Okay. So very simple. So D is equal to how much we will get here? 2. Okay. Just very simple these are. Okay. Whatever the things are not there, that you can just keep as it is. Now after that you can substitute all the values here, you will get your desired answers. Okay. So next one, third one. So third we have, see, so first A not given, A is not given here, question mark. So D given, D is equal to how much given means here we have, it is minus 3. Next we have N, so N they are given here 18 and next in the question they are given an is equal to -5, they are given an is equal to -5. This is what all the things they are given here. Okay. Now similarly again you can use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now so an how much they are given -5. Now a how much they don't have given, we need to find a, plus n we have 18 minus of 1, d we have minus of 3. Okay. Now -5, so this a is as it is plus. Okay. Now just you can see this is 18 into 3, otherwise do one thing, this is we'll get it is 17, okay, into minus of 3. Now -5 as it is, so next a keep as it is again, plus 17 into 3 you can do it. Okay. 17 2s are 17 3s are. Okay. So how much, just you can see 17 3. Okay. Minus of 3, 7 3s are we have 21, 7 1s are 7 plus 2. Okay. 3 plus 2 51 will get, and this is minus, will get this is minus 51. Okay. Now once you got these things, next see this you can transfer into this side. Again what will be happens, it is just you can see, so -5 is as it is, now plus 51, this is what a. Now we need a, so plus 51 minus 5, how much will get here, 46 plus 46. A is equal to, we will get this is, just you can see it is, we can say a is equal to 46. Okay. So I hope you understood this problem very well. Next we have next question. So fourth one, so let me and I'll write one more time. So now fourth one, a is equal to, they are given -118. It is 9. Okay. -18.9. Then d is equal to, it is 2.5, and n is equal to, we need to find n, and 3.6, n is equal to, they are given 3.6. Now see everything we have here. Now substitute n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n we have 3.6. So a we have minus 18.9 plus, now n we need to find minus of 1, and d we have 2.5. Okay. Now 3.6 as it is. Next see this is minus 18.9 is also as it is. Now this is n into 2.5, it is 2.5 n minus of 2.5. Okay. Now see this 3.6 again keep as it is here. Next, so here it's a minus 2.5 and it's a minus 18.9. This is 21.5. Okay. Now 21 it is, okay, let us will we do this one correctly, 2189 and this is 25. Okay. 5 9 will get 14, 1 here. So next, so 8 and 3, so 8 and 3 will get 11. So this is okay, it is will get 21.4. Okay. Next plus. Okay. Next just you can see this remaining, so this is minus. Okay. Both are minus, so minus, so 2.5 n as it is. Next, now again here 2.5 n, this you can take this side. So what will be happens, it is next 3.6 and this is plus 21.4 is equal to, this is 2.5 n. Now 3.6 plus 21.4, so we will get obviously this is 25. Now this is 2.5 n. Now we will get n is equal to how much, 10. N is equal to, will get 10. Okay, so dear students, this is very simple. So A given minus 18.9, D given 2.5, and we need to find An given 3.6. All the values you substitute in this formula. So once you substituted means calculate correctly, you will get your desired answer. So I hope you understood this problem. Okay, the last one we have. So fifth one. So fifth one we have 5. This is A given 3.5. Okay. Next, D given 0, N given, it is N how much given, 105 they are given, and A, N they are given, not given. Okay, we need to find. Okay, A N we need to find. Just you can see here, A N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now A N we need to find. So A they are given 3.5 plus N, it is 105 minus of 1, and D we have 0. Okay, 0 into anything is what? 0 itself. So An is equal to 3.5 itself. Okay, An is equal to how much? We can say it is a 3.5 itself. These are the what? 5 examples of exercise 1.2 of main question 1. Okay, so second one. Second main, let us will check here. Second main, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay, choose the correct choice and justify. This you can do it. I will not solve this one. So I will go with a question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. Find the missing term in the boxes. See, first one. We have 2 box, empty box 26, 2, then we have empty box, then last we have 26. Okay, see, this is what they are given here. Now just what you need to do means here, first term is what here? A1, A2, A3. Now we have first term, A is equal to how much? 2. Now A2 don't have. Okay, don't have, we need to find. A3 how much? A3 is equal to 26. Now this A3, how we can write, dear students? You know it very well. A3 is equal to A2 plus, okay, no, A plus A2D, A plus 2D. A3 we can write A plus 2D. Now A already we have, how much we have? This equal to how much they are given? 26 they are given. Now A how much we have? 2 already we have, 2 into D. Okay, now this equal to 26. Okay, now do one thing, this 2 can transfer that side. So 2D is equal to 26 minus of 2. So 2D is equal to, it is, we will get 24. Now D is equal to how much? We will get 12. So once we will get here D is equal to 12. So next we will go with the next question. So once you got D is equal to 12, so we need to find this one, A2. So A2 how we can write? A plus, it is D. Okay, A plus D. Now, so already A we have 2 plus D we have 12. So now we will get, this is 14 and this is what? A2. So just you can see, dear students, we need to find this empty box, and A2 is equal to how much here? We can say it is a 14. Very simple concept. See, this is the first term, second term. Whatever the things they are given, just you can write it here. What they are not given, just put the question mark and try to find the what here? A and D. Okay, by substituting that A and D, you will get your desired answers. Okay, now next one. See. So next one, question number 2, question number 2. See, first we have empty box. Okay, now comma. Second term we have 13. Next again empty box. Third term we have again 3. Okay, now we don't have A, so we have A2. What we have? A2 is equal to, how we can write? A plus D is equal to how much it is? 13 we have. We can take equation number 1. Next, third term we don't have. Fourth term we have a4 is equal to a plus, okay, 3d. A plus 3d, how we can write this equal to 3. Now equation number 2. Now solve these two equations to get the what, a and d values. Now this is minus minus and this is again minus. These two will be what here, cancelled. Next we have this is minus 2d, okay, this is a plus, this is a minus, and we'll get minus 2d, and this will get 10, okay. Now see here, so d is equal to how much we'll get, this is minus 5. So once we'll get d is equal to minus, this is minus 3d plus d, that means minus 2d will get here, this minus a plus a get cancelled. Now here minus, here a plus, okay, we'll get this is a positive 10 and d is equal to minus 5. Once you got d is equal to minus 5, now we need value of a. How to find value of a? You can substitute either here or here. So now I'll substitute in 1. So in 1 if I substituted means this becomes what, a plus d is equal to 13, okay. Now a is equal to, we need d, so 13 plus of 5. So a is equal to how much, we can say 17. 13 plus 5 we will get a is equal to 18. So once you got a is equal to 18 and d is equal to minus 5. Now what we need here, first term. So first term already we got 18, second term 13 we have. Next we need a3. So a3, how we can find, a3 is equal to a plus 2d. So a we have 18 plus 2 into 5 minus 5, d we have minus 5. So this becomes 18 and this is minus of 10. So we will get this is 8. This is what, a3. So a3 will get here 8 and a we have 18, 13, okay. Next we will get here a3 is 8, then we have 5. So 13, just you can see here 18, this is the difference between these two is minus 5 will get. Again 8 minus of 13, again you will get here minus 5, 3 minus of 8, again you will get minus 5. So all the answers are what here we can say correct. So I hope you understood this problem, okay. Next question. So I think these are enough here. So remaining I solve in the next class.